Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Welcome to Hammersmith, and one of the largest units in the community, with just over 3,600 square feet of livable space. Featuring 2 master bedrooms, first and second level, an elevator, open floor plan and built-in shelving throughout. Open floor plan with multiple outdoor spaces for entertainment, including atrium, west garden, patio, large deck and glassed-in greenhouse. Marble and wood flooring, 2016, new air conditioners, 4 installed 2016, new roof, new fixtures. Call to view.